My name is Tony. Well, I've had like a lifetime of issues, and what happened was I had a bridge fail, and so half my face didn't have any teeth, and I only had 3 teeth on the bottom, so it was time for something different. Oh gosh, you didn't really want to smile too much. You work around eating, but you have to make accommodations for the fact that you have teeth missing, or you have to chew on. I had to chew on my gums on the bottom, so it took away from the pleasure you should have from eating. The bridge falling out not too long, because by then it was like this gaping hole in my mouth. Not having the teeth in the bottom I had for years, but once I lost that bridge, I couldn't really kind of work around it anymore. I was out of options, and I just thought they were going to put the bridge back in, but it took the teeth with it. So they said, no, you can't do that. And so I had to make a decision. I had an all-on-4 full mouth implant. The first place I had gone when my bridge first failed, they were okay, you know, but I would have to go back and forth between the dentist that was just the dentist, and the dentist that was going to do the implant, and it just was too complicated. And I was like, okay, I'm going to look around. And I watched a lot of stuff online about sort of the big name places and everything, and I just didn't feel as comfortable there. And then on Smile Institute, in looking at Dr. Gaughan's resume and stuff, he had done so many implants and had so much experience and so much advanced training. I felt like if I'm going to spend so much money, I need to find somebody that knows what they're doing. Oh, everything. All the things I hadn't done in a long time. You don't have to worry about, okay, I have to smile a certain way or whatever, or no, I shouldn't probably eat that because it's going to be hard to chew with no bottom teeth. It's just wonderful. Everybody is just, and I know it says all over the place, but everybody is really friendly and really family-like, and you don't feel like you're one of 20 people that they're going to route through. I really like that. I like the doctors, the way he interacts with the staff, because sometimes you kind of see what people are really like by how they treat the people they work with. And he seems really patient, and I appreciate that. And everybody seem to enjoy what they're doing. I did a lot of research. I looked online. I looked at all the different options. It could have been dentures, it could have been snap-ins, it could have been implants. I wanted to kind of know what all my options were and what the pros and cons were for each. And yeah, it's going to cost a lot of money. So that's a consideration in and of itself, but there's ways to work it out. And I wouldn't let that be the one thing that keeps you from getting it done.
Thank you so much, Miss Tony.
I'm a star.